every tow comes with risk. Road debris, rocks, and gravel can do real damage, especially without protection. That's why we created the first ever Speed Dolly Fender Set, a new standard in protection from in the ditch. Built strong, with steel construction and extra support gussets, these fenders are engineered to deflect debris down and away from the vehicle. Not just tough, smart, and industry first, this towing innovation combines a professional look with enhanced vehicle protection, making this a great addition to any towing dolly. Helps cut down damage claims, and that means fewer headaches and lower insurance premiums. Experience protection like never before. Installation is fast, rock solid, and built for the demands of the job. And when the job's done, storing them is just as simple. From protection to portability, every detail was designed for the pros who do it for real. The Speed Dolly Fender Set. Universal. Durable. Built for the road. Only from in the ditch. The brand you can stand on.